I just found a website where you can find any sound effect. You know, those funny ones like this one, this one, maybe this one.
Bruh.
Like any kind of sound effect. And it's pretty cool, so let me show it, and I'll even put in the link in the description. And here we go. Yep, it's this. Let me show you how it works. So we got like a lot of sound effects like bruh, 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 bruh. There's like a lot of birds right here. And you can find any sound effect if you just search for it. And I already searched for some, you know, like the run one. And you just search it up, and then you press search right here. Or you just press enter, and then boom, you got like the run, like the, you know, all of these. And they're really cool. And this is how you download them. You just click on this, and then you like download MP3, pretty much. And then when you download it, there it's downloaded. Boom, boom on. Let's go. Enjoy these sound effects, and you can use them in your videos too. No copyright at all. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Link in the description. Boom.